Children, we have already earlier discussed that almost all leaves are present in green color because of the green color leaves contains a green color pigment called chlorophyll. So this chlorophyll brings the leaves into green color, and they can prepare their food in the presence of chlorophyll. So if there is no chlorophyll in the leaves, they cannot prepare their food. So chlorophyll is very helpful to the leaves in preparing their food. So the preparation of the food by the leaves by using this chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So the process in which the leaves prepare their food by using chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So here in the word photosynthesis, the word photo means light. So the word photo means light, and the word synthesis means combination. So the word photo means light, that means sunlight. So the leaves absorbs sunlight, and in the presence of sunlight, it will combine. That means the leaves will mixes the water and the carbon dioxide present in the air and prepares their food. So the process of preparation of the food in the presence of light by using chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So in the process photosynthesis, the required components by the plant are, so the first one is sunlight. For photosynthesis process, so the leaves should require sunlight and water and minerals, and third one is carbon dioxide. So by using these components, plants can prepare their food with the help of chlorophyll. For example, the water. So the plant absorbs water from the soil, and carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the leaves in the atmosphere, and this water and minerals and carbon dioxide will be mixed up. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, it prepares their food, and this process is called photosynthesis. So photosynthesis is the process of preparation of the food by the leaves in the combination of water, minerals and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So the photosynthesis can be written in the form of an equation like this. So the first required component for the photosynthesis is water. So water, minerals, and this water and minerals are mixed up. That means combined with carbon dioxide present in the air. So this water, minerals and carbon dioxide mixed up with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. So with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll present in the leaves. So in the presence of sunlight, the leaves will combine. That means the leaves will mixes the water, minerals and carbon dioxide, and they will prepare the food. Here the food prepared by the leaves is a one type of sugar called glucose. So glucose is one type of sugar. So that means the glucose is the food prepared by the plants. And in the process of photosynthesis, the plants will give off oxygen into the atmosphere. So children, so this is the equation for the photosynthesis. So from this equation, we can clearly understand what is photosynthesis. Here photo means light, that is sunlight energy, and synthesis means combination. So combination means mixing. So the plant will mixes water, minerals and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll present in it and prepare the food, and the prepared food is called one type of sugar, glucose, and during photosynthesis the oxygen will be given out into the atmosphere. So this oxygen is very helpful to all living organisms for their survival. So plants will produce oxygen in the process of photosynthesis. This oxygen will be taken out by the living organisms like animals and human beings, and they can able to survive. So children, this is about the photosynthesis. So photosynthesis can be written in the form of equation like this. Up to now we have discussed how leaves can prepare their food. So leaves can prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll present in them. So chlorophyll is very helpful to the leaves in the preparation of their food. So if there is no chlorophyll in their leaves, they cannot able to prepare their food. But some plants have their leaves which are not present in the green color. So generally we can observe some plants and they have leaves in red color and in yellow color and in white color, etc. So how can those plants, that means how can those leaves can prepare their food? So how can the non-green leaves prepare their food? So leaves can prepare their food when there is only chlorophyll. So the chlorophyll is present only in the green colored leaves. That non-green colored leaves does not have chlorophyll. Then the non-green colored leaves cannot prepare their food. For example, if we take the cactus, so cactus plant, so have you ever seen the cactus plant? So these plants are generally observed in deserts. So look at the picture, you are observing the cactus plant. So in cactus plants there are no leaves. So cactus plants does not have leaves. So if it has no leaves, how it can prepare its food? So all leaves are converted into thorns. So in cactus there are no leaves, and leaves are reduced into thorns. These thorns prevents the cactus for preventing the cactus from the losing of water and from the grazing of other animals by the ants. Then how can the cactus plants prepare their food? So if you observe the cactus plants have a green colored stem. So here their stem is present in green color and chlorophyll is present in their stems. That's why their stems helpful in the preparation of food. So in cactus plants, the stem is in green color. So that's why the stems are helpful in preparing their food. That's why stem will prepare the food in cactus plants and stores their food in the stem. That's why the stem of the cactus plants are very thick and strong, because the food is stored in their stems, because the stem prepare their food, because the stem is present in green color. That's why the stem prepares their food and stores their food in their stems. That's why the stems of the cactus plants are very thick and strong. So in the same way, if we take some species of croton plants, so generally, so we will keep the croton plants in our houses for interior decoration and to get beautifulness for our houses. So if you observe the leaves of some croton plants, the leaves are present, some leaves are present in red color, and some leaves are present in yellow color, and some leaves are present in white color. So look at the picture. Here you are observing the leaves of some croton plants. So most of the leaves, so most part of the leaves are present in red color and green color is present in very less part. So although the leaves are present in red color, so the chlorophyll present in the less part of the green colored part is helpful in preparing the food in croton plants. So although the red colored pigments hides the chlorophyll for preparing the food, whereas the small parts of the green colored parts in their leaves prepare their food by using the chlorophyll. So this is about some croton plants. So croton plants can prepare their food with the help of small parts of the green color present in the leaves, and the small parts of the green colored parts in the leaves have chlorophyll, and that chlorophyll helps in preparing the food in such type of croton plants. And next one is mushrooms. So have you ever seen mushrooms? So in rainy season, so if you went outside the trees, you will observe some umbrella-like structure at their bottom. So this type of plants are called mushrooms, and they does not have any green colored leaves, and they does not have any green colored stem. So the most of the mushrooms are present in white color. Then how can prepare their food? So since they are not present in green color, there is no chlorophyll in them, and since there is no chlorophyll, the mushrooms cannot able to prepare their food by themselves. So that's why they will prepare on the wood which they grow on. Generally, mushrooms are grown on wet wood. So they will absorb some dead organs or dead plants from the wood, and they will get the nutrients required for their bodies. So generally mushrooms will absorb the dead plants, dead organs, dead leaves, dead insects, and they will absorb the nutrients from the dead leaves, dead plants, dead leaves, and they will grow up. Because they does not prepare food by themselves, because there is no chlorophyll, because they are not present in green color. That's why they will depend upon another trees, another plants, another insects. So this is about the process in non-green leaves. The next topic in this chapter is interdependence between plants and animals.